What's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna be playing WWE with my friend Diogo.
Yep.
Diogo Gutierrez.
Okay, let's get started.
Wait. Let me join the arena. Okay. Okay. First we need to go to full health. Psych!
Hey, out! Wait, this is the level, right?
WWE!
No!
SmackDown!
Oh, no.
Hey, he's running away.
Yeah, I'm running away right now.
That's not the point of WWE.
I have to. Oh, what is in there?
No! Where are you?
I'm hiding.
I got lost. No,
No, you saw my name.
No. I can't. I don't know how to get up there. Yeah. You're scared. You run.
I'm running away.
I see you. I see you. Thank you.
No?
I see you. I see you.
Oh no! No!
Where are you? Stop running away, dude. It's not the point of the
I don't want to
game.
die. Oh, maybe I will. Yeah. Take that. Ow!
You spawn with full health. I spawn with a little bit.
Come here, idiot. Yeah, ow! Yeah, I kill you! Ah.
Oh, it's raining.
Oh, man.
Let's play a different map.
Yeah, let's go.
You wanna play? What should we play?
Who's your daddy?
Let's play.
Oh, let's go play Space.
Nah.
No,
Let's play this one. Let's do a race.
Oh, okay. Oh, this one. Okay, I got you. Okay, I think I know what you got.
Hurry up. We're gonna do a race. Okay, we have to pull down the lever. Or this. Okay. When it goes to
Wait, how do you do that? Wait. So
where? Okay then. Okay. When it goes to green, hurry up. Go on the light. Okay. When you see the thing go to green, then we can start.
Okay.
Go.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm beating you. I'm first. Oh.
Oh.
Wee! Ah! I died. Wee!
I win. I'm not
No.
winning.
I can still catch up.
No, damn it!
Yes. Woo!
Ow. Yeah.
You fell out of the world.
What?
Woo!
I'm gonna get you, Alan. No, god damn it! I followed again.
No!
You try to do skyblocks for like get a gun.
I'll be back. Wee! Ah!
Yay! I'm winning. No! No! Eat! No!
I need swiftness. Wee! No!
Hey, you suck. Ow! Did you hit?
Dude, I don't think none of us will finish this. It's pretty hard.
Nope. Come here.
Wee! Oh god. I'm all the way back here. You're all the
God
way.
damn it!
I'm all the way up. No!
Yeah! God damn it! I keep falling down!
Okay, I can at least catch up.
Oh, I hate this map. Hey, wait.
No.
Wait, please. You're dying. Okay, let's go right here.
Oh, this way?
No, this way, yeah.
Okay.
Cause listen,
Start. It's harder.
really? How?
Yeah. I'm here with playing with Joshua and Sandra. Joshua, come.
Oh, come
Hey.
on.
What's up? And me too.
And Sandra's about to join the game. If he could.
Oh, come on.
I tried to do a speed run.
A speed run from Roblox.
Yeah.
Oh, you're SpongeBob or Iron Man?
Iron Man.
I forgot. You should change your name.
Oh yeah.
I forgot that.
Wow.
Oh, oh, oh.
He distracted
this
you.
is gonna be hard.
He distracted you. That he told your name.
I'm gonna take all those so you can get none of them.
Yeah.
Oh, he's not gonna get any.
What do you mean?
All night.
He's on here. Okay, let's start. Woo. Wow, you gotta be kidding me.
That's all. Oh.
Let's play a different map?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Gun War. Call of Duty.
Oh yeah, do you have zombies or something?
Oh yeah, I do have
Call of Duty.
zombies.
Oh,
Try to
yeah,
do the
yeah,
Call
yeah.
of Duty one.
Where is it? Oh, we should have done this with the gun mod.
Call of Duty. Go for Call of Duty or the Hunger Games with guns.
No, but that's the gun mod. We'll do the gun mod maybe another time.
hey,
Oh, call zombies here. It is.
Okay.
Wait, no, never mind. I gotta go on
Block
don't
launcher.
join next. I gotta go on
Block launcher.
arrow.
Can I join the game?
Wait, not yet.
I'm just.
Yeah, join the game, then get out your weapons, and then we'll go on survival.
Okay.
Go on. You're gonna get the guns?
No,
Now where am I?
I say you should get them right now. Right now.
Oh hell! I'm getting out of here. There's a bunch of zombies here.
but right now it's creative.
Hey, where am I?
Wow, this would be better with guns. Trust me, yo. Better. Oh, let's get some Juggernaut armor.
Where are you?
I'm in there.
Oh, you're right here. Oh.
Is you gonna do your Roblox again?
Oh.
Are you almost there?
I'm fixing it for you.
Oh, you're right there. Oh, let's go.
Okay. Let me put some
Hey, there's a
armor.
zombie in there.
I know, but it's survival.
Let's put the gun.
Yeah, just kill it. Did you get all your weapons?
With my weapon?
Yeah. Hurry up before.
Okay,
Oh, the lag though. The lag. The lag. We'll do a Roblox video next.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the game guys at Roblox.
Wait, first kill.
But I think my marker doesn't work.
Okay, there you're done?
no, not yet. Almost.
I gotta rock.
Get all your armor and everything.
Okay.
Oh, I still need one more thing.
Oh, the helmet too?
Yeah, the helmet.
Oh, okay. Well, the zombie can't use your brain.
Yeah.
Okay, I got it. There we go. Oh, look, okay.
Okay.
I didn't get my weapon.
Now hurry up.
Okay.
You got 1 minute.
Arrow. Wait, which is the weapon?
It's the one with the sword.
Oh,
Go down.
okay, this one.
Dude, let's do it. Let's do this next, but like with the gun mod. But
But
for
I don't
another
have- I don't
video.
have a gun.
For another. Kill the zombie in
Ethan,
here.
can I get a TNT?
No.
Oh, no.
It's gonna destroy the whole map.
Wait. Oh, even we need some light too. We need some light.
Some light?
Yeah. You can see in the dark. Hey, isn't that grab one?
I'm gonna get some potions. What's
Okay,
this?
I'm done. Oh, there's zombies too. But we need zombies to eat.
Okay, there. Okay, I'm gonna leave. And we're gonna go on survival.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Survival.
Hey, you forgot to choose your name.
I'm gonna change my name.
Iron Man.
I know. No, she's not moving the tail. The tail moves by itself.
Iron.
Okay, there.
Okay. Yeah, okay, Iron Man.
Okay, we're here. Where am I?
Hey, what the?
Oh, I see you.
Did you close the door?
Yeah, I closed the door.
Okay, thank God. Okay. Wait, what the heck?
Oh, it says Defo joined the game.
Let me say this one.
Hey, what the heck? You killed me.
Me?
Okay, sorry, I did that. Oh god, I'm gonna shoot it through. Yeah.
Ow!
Oh wait, I'm shooting you? I'm trying to shoot the door.
Let's just open the door then.
No, I could kill it from here.
Well, the zombie's gonna eat us. Anyways.
Wait. Okay.
Let's go.
Headshot.
Ow!
Don't move! Okay, open it. Woo! Took my privates!
Yeah, ow!
No! Move!
Zombies!
Woo! Woo!
This is fun! Let's go.
Oh no! Dude, I don't have my diamond sword.
No, you didn't?
Oh, I'm dumb. All I have is the arrows.
Ow.
Wait, how much diamond swords do you have? You only have one sword? You only have-
I have 2 swords.
Give me one sword.
Okay.
Give me one.
There you go.
Okay, thanks.
But don't worry.
Iron sword. It's better than nothing.
The diamond's more better.
Okay, we have to press it. More zombies came. Let's go.
Oh, damn! The baby zombies are...
I know. Let's go.
I'm dying! Oh my god!
Bye. Yeah. Hurry up. Ah!
Baby zombies!
No! Over the kid! My camera!
Oh my god! I'm still alive, but Yoga's dying. Yoga's dying. Yoga's dying.
Close the door! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh god!
There's a little bit of zombies, guys. Well, I still win, but I'm dead. Uh-oh.
Okay, I'm gonna leave all your stuff. There. Your stuff is right there. Dude, that was crazy. Get your stuff.
Where is it? Oh.
Get your stuff.
3?
Put your diamond on.
I'm gonna count to 3.
Wait, I'm gonna give you some.
Guys, I'm gonna count to 3, okay?
Wait, what? Do the diamond. Wait, here. I'm gonna give you this. I'm gonna give you something.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Wait, not yet. Don't open it.
Okay, tell me, okay?
Oh, here it is. Wait, do you have all your arrows? Here, wait, I'm gonna give you some armor. Here, Joa. There.
Oh, thank you.
I'm gonna give you a head. Okay, let's start.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
No, wait. Oh god, why are you shooting?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, that was good.
But that's a little bit.
Say hello to my little friend. Oh shit.
Oh, that just got trapped.
Move! Oh god. Kill it!
I'm keep killing it, but...
Ooh. So I think that is all for today, YouTube. Bye, YouTube. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.
Yep.